Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways on how to chat with Facebook support team. Okay. So first up, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be your phone. It works fine with phone, but it will be a lot easier if you have a computer. Okay. And here, just type in business.facebook.com. All right. Again, business.facebook.com. Once done, just hit on enter. Wait for it to load. While it loads, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now in here, go ahead and go to the left panel. And here, go to the bottom left. And here you have the help button. Okay. Click on it. And go ahead and click on help. This one will pop up. And you should be able to see chat with support right here. If not, let's continue. Go ahead and open up a new tab. Type in messenger.com. All right. If you're using your phone, just go ahead and use your Facebook Messenger app. Okay. In here, just go ahead and log in. All right. Once logged in, go ahead and go to the search function. Click on it. Now type in Meta support like so. And as you can see here, we have two options. We have Meta Pay support and Meta Business support. Just click on one or tap on one, then go ahead and enter your query in here and hit on send and just wait for a reply. That's basically how you do it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.